5 AI roles ideal for non-technical individuals in the year 2024. Artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping industries and transforming the way we work, but you don't need a background in coding to be part of this revolution. AI offers a plethora of opportunities for non-technical individuals to contribute their skills and expertise. Here, we explore 5 AI roles perfect for those without a technical background. 1. AI Product Manager. AI product managers play a crucial role in driving the development and implementation of AI solutions within organizations. They work closely with cross-functional teams to define product requirements, prioritize features, and ensure alignment with business goals. Non-technical individuals with strong project management, strategic thinking, and communication skills can excel in this role by bridging the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders.
2. AI Ethicist.
As AI becomes increasingly integrated into society, the need for ethical oversight and guidance becomes paramount. AI ethicists are responsible for examining the ethical implications of AI systems and ensuring that they adhere to ethical principles and societal values. Non-technical individuals with a background in philosophy, ethics, or social sciences can contribute their critical thinking and analytical skills to address complex ethical dilemmas in AI development and deployment. 3. AI Sales and Marketing Specialist. AI sales and marketing specialists play a vital role in promoting AI products and services to potential clients and customers. They leverage their understanding of market trends, customer needs, and competitive landscape to develop effective sales strategies and marketing campaigns. Non-technical individuals with strong communication, negotiation, and relationship-building skills can thrive in this role by articulating the value proposition of AI solutions and building strong client relationships. 4. AI User Experience, UX, Designer. AI UX designers focus on creating intuitive and user-friendly experiences for AI-powered applications and interfaces. They collaborate with designers, developers, and product managers to understand user needs, define user journeys, and design interfaces that leverage AI capabilities effectively. Non-technical individuals with a background in design, psychology, or human-computer interaction can contribute their creativity, empathy, and user-centric mindset to craft compelling AI user experiences. 5. AI Business Analyst. AI business analysts bridge the gap between business requirements and technical implementation by analyzing data, identifying trends, and generating insights to inform decision-making. They collaborate with stakeholders across departments to define business objectives, translate them into data requirements, and evaluate the performance of AI initiatives. Non-technical individuals with strong analytical, problem-solving, and business acumen can excel in this role by leveraging data to drive business growth and innovation. In conclusion, AI offers a wealth of opportunities for non-technical individuals to contribute their skills and expertise to the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. Whether it's driving product development, addressing ethical considerations, or crafting user experiences, there's a role for everyone to play in shaping the future of AI. Embrace the possibilities and embark on a rewarding journey beyond the code.